Today we're gonna film installing the Barkbusters handguards plus the signal lights installed directly on the Barkbusters handguards for the Honda NC750X. We're gonna see how we can connect the wiring for the signal lights. So these are the parts, the signals, and this is the Barkbusters VPS handguards, and we have separate the signal lights, the wiring, and we're gonna connect everything. So you might want to check it out. And because we have this open, the front part it's open, let's take advantage and have a short overview. This is the air filter. Changing the air filter for the Honda NC750X, it's quite an easier job than it was before on my previous model 2019. And as you can see, we have to leave it open around here, and there's plenty of space to work on the air filter. We need to drill a hole here in the plastic to be able to mount the signal lights plastics. We need to match everything to the drilling points. This kit it's originally by Barkbusters, and yeah, they look very slim, they're very light. The plastic though it's kind of basic, it's very light, but the quality of the plastic it's standard, I might say. As you can see, the brackets for the Barkbusters VPS, they're quite strong, and I will be happy to install it on my Transalp very soon if they are available in Europe, but seems like it's a quite difficult job to find them in Europe. We placed the wiring underneath. I just stopped for a bit just to mention that here at ASKO Group people are also make painting. They have a painting workshop, and check out this petrol tank. This is from the Honda Hornet, the previous versions, and check it out. The paint, it's just amazing, just impressive. Just check out the painting from the previous models of Honda Hornet. The guys from ASKO Group, they also have a painting workshop, and it came out really nice, just brand new. Here you can check out the wirings are coming from the headlight, and they will be connected to the signals. After the wiring is installed, just put the back plastics to keep the wiring in place. The plastic covers the wiring, and there is plenty of space for the wire to come out gently over the protection. Just to make an idea, to find the wiring you need to open these plastics, the side plastics, and also to have access here through the air filter. And you need to connect not to the motorcycle with the wiring, but with the you have to connect between the signal light, the original signal light, and the motorcycle. There is a wire, and you need to find it and connect it directly to the Barkbusters signals. We put the handguard in place. The bracket was already mounted. We're gonna hide the cables. this is a cable, black and red, the one from the signals. And now we do the same for the left side. We have it here. So these are the cables, the wirings. These cables are actually a little bit too short. Then we're gonna make them longer by you know, connect them here and try to leave them a little bit longer to be able to steer properly.
În momentul când ai tras de el, să vezi, tragi de el.
Da.
Tragi.
Yeah, it's very tough, very resistant with this technique.
Și aici îl coștorim acum.
We just isolate the wires. Classic procedure. It's very nicely made. No danger whatsoever. To find the wire, first thing you have to do is find the minus. You need to make a measurement, and you need to find the minus first. Then you action the signal and measure and see which one actually responds.
Vine.
Another technique is to surround the wire completely to protect it from the water, from condense, and from anything else. So we have a full cover, a full isolated cover for the both wires. It's a matter of adjusting these cables underneath the plastic fenders. In this area, just to keep them in place. Down there is a bracket. Let me show it. I hope you can see it. It's this one over here, the bracket. Now you can see it better. There is a bracket, a silver bracket, from which we can attach the cables in a very nice way on the right side. And here you can check out the way the wirings are attached to the bracket. And this is the approximate length which we're gonna use to have a safe length for the cable. We open the existing connections from the motorcycle and connect it with the ones from the Barkbusters signal lights. But make sure you measure everything before you connect the wiring. Now the red attached to the black one. The ground it's on the blue plastic or gray wire. And now we connect the red to the black. Why we connect the red with the black? Because the black, after measurements, it's the plus. The brown one, it's the position of the light. And now you can check out, after the connection, you can check out the signal lights, how they are working together in a very nice way. You can see it. Everything, it's somehow connected underneath very nicely. And we have the signal lights working. The way the wires were connected, it's really clean, nice and clean over here. Everything is connected in a very nice way, nice and clean. We're gonna film again underneath here. You can check out how clean everything is mounted. You need just to take your time and be patient. This is the word. Take your time, be patient, and everything will come out just perfectly. And after this procedure is done, we're gonna do the same for the left side, and afterwards we're gonna close the operation over here. We're gonna close everything and film the way it's done backwards, how we're gonna close everything. These are the wirings from the left side. On the left side you have the same colors, gray, brown and black. The black is the positive, the gray is the mass, and the brown it's connected with the positioning. We're gonna attach black and red. And now we have the testing if it's working, testing if we connect the cables right. And this is the position, and here are the hazard lights. You can check out how they're working together. Basically you double your visibility with the signal lights attached to the handguards, to the Barkbusters handguards. And yeah, it's quite visible. You might want to check it out. How do you like them? Please write in the comment section what do you think about these additional signal lights. Does they fit your expectations? When you take out the display, you have to check out that on the back side we have two slots, two connections. You can check it out, and it has these bolts which will be attached on the side, and basically this is it. You need to hear the click. You already heard it, and here you need to gently put together all the plastic inside the fairings. And as you can see, this plastic part comes out quite easy. You have here one connection and also some directive plastics. And here is the bolt on the end of it. The cables. You might want to check out the bolts. They are different. One longer ones and one shorter. The one have washers attached, and these are the short ones. The short ones you place them here. And now we have the final plastic, which covers the rest of the bike. This is not the final plastic. We have the side plastics, the thin ones, and now we have the side plastics. You need here to take your time, be patient.
Intrat aici, așa intră. Bagi sub asta. Și aici vine un bum.
And now the right side. And the rest of the plastics are fitted quite easy. And what you only have to do is put the bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to finish the job. Finally, the job is done. We only need to clean the bike for a bit, and the customer will go home with more visibility in traffic in terms of the signal lights. And this is a nice solution to clean up the bike. This canned foam. This canned foam can be used on plastics, and it helps dissolve the dust and the mud, and then you can clean it And by cleaning it, you actually leave no stains. This is how they claim. We can see here how it's done. The bike will look very fresh without using the pressure hose. Without using the pressure hose, this is a friendly solution which I highly recommend. I already bought one of this Kent foam to use it on my Transalp, and you can check it out how it shines. As you can see, the position are working only for the original signal lights. The Barkbusters don't use the position because you need to go and connect yourself with 3 wires. It goes only when you put the hazard on. Let's check it out. And here are the signals. And check it out, the final result. Please leave in the comment section your opinion about these hazard lights, this additional lights mounted on the handguards from Barkbusters. What do you think about them mounting on the Honda NC750X? This is the final result.